If I had a glass of water above my head when I hit, I'm not going to move the glass of water. A lot of players are hitting, and again, they're moving like crazy. So just to review again, number one, to be more patient up at the kitchen and pop up less shots, what are you going to do? You're going to realize that you're going to be here. You can be here forever, okay? You're in it. You can outlast your opponent. The second thing that you're going to do is that you're going to get into rhythm. The third thing that you're going to do is recognize your offensive hitting point. If it's anything below that, what are you going to do? You are going to block it back. And last but not least, you're going to get more grounded into your body, okay?